Look at the clouds. They look like fruits. Let's play the fruit search game.
Do you see something?
Let's look for a special fruit. Let's look for a strawberry. Do you see a strawberry?
Lee.
Where is the banana?
Look there on the left side.
Yes, there. The banana.
Where is the pear?
Look there on the right.
Oh, I see the pineapple.
Do you see the pineapple friend?
Oh, I see the pineapple. I see the pineapple.
Do you see the watermelon friend?
Oh, I watermelon.
Do you see the lemon?
Oh, I see the lemon. Do you see it?
Where is the apple?
Oh, I see the apple. The apple. Do you see it?
Is there a mango somewhere?
The mango grows in tropical islands.
Where are the grapes?
I love grapes so much, white and red ones.
Where are the blueberries?
Oh, look, there is also a tree like a fruit. Look, the blueberries.
Do you see the peach? Oh, look, look, look! There is the peach. Where are the cherries? Where are the cherries?
The cherries, the cherries.
This was a nice game. Follow Bloom Crew for more games together.
Bye, friend. See you